Hi, I'm Eliza Gwendolyn of CEOSocialMarketing.com, and I am going to show you an easy tutorial on how to set up your pins using the Chrome extension on the Tailwind app for Pinterest marketing. First, you are going to go into the left-hand side, and you're going to see the drop-down menu Publisher. You're going to scroll to Schedule Pins. These are all the pins that I've already scheduled. I repin from my tribe, which I've taught how to use in a previous tutorial. And then you've seen the custom ones I posted on my Tailwind. So now you're going to go back to the left-hand side and go click Draft. You can either upload photo videos on the left-hand side, or you can go to the calendar section on the right-hand side and click Create New Pin. I have already uploaded Chrome extension. If you have not already done so, you click the button. It's going to launch this browser, and over here it would say install. I already have it, so I'm not going to press remove, but it takes 1 second to download. You X out, and now your Chrome extension is put in. What does this mean? You can go to Google and you can find images off Google. So I would like to find an image of a computer flat lay. I go to images, and as you can see, when I hover over any of the images on this page, a little scheduling tab pops up. It will pop up on every blog that I'm on. I like this pretty pink one, but it has a watermark on it, so I'm going to go back up and I'm going to type free. And here, this one's perfect. We click the scheduling app and it prompts this new window that pops up. So you can either schedule now or save for later, but first you have to make sure it goes to a board. I am going to place this into my branding inspiration, and I'm going to put it into my social media marketing board. It comes with a title, but I want to make it more specific to my target audience. So I erase that title and I cater it towards my branding and social media audience. I'm going to link this to a blog post on my website. Easy tutorial on how to become a social media manager. Social media tips. This is my description. So a little description of what your link is going to feature. Social media tips, social media manager, ideas and inspiration, free stock photo links, Instagram inspiration. Make sure everything is spelled correctly. To change the URL before I do that. So I'm going to change it to go into my website, CEOSocialMarketing.com. Enter. Now I can add to queue, immediately schedule now, or I can save it for later. I'm going to save this for later. I'm going to go back into my Google search and just pick one more image to upload. So this one looks great. Once again, we're just going to quickly go through this. It prompts this second box. I could change it to post to my Instagram. If I had other accounts on this, you can send it to other Pinterest accounts. I'm going to keep it on Eliza Gwendolyn. Social media marketing. Social media manager tips and tricks on how to be a successful social media manager. Once again, I'm going to edit the URL to take you to our website, ceosocialmarketing.com. I can add it to my tribe or Smart Loop if I wish, but right now I do not want to do that. I'm not going to save this one for later. I'm going to schedule now or add it to my queue. And it's going to go directly to my queue, and we are going to go over to Tailwind to see it. As you can see, these are the images that we just pulled off. It goes to both boards separately. And then the other image I just posted, I sent directly to my queue, is already up there. And it's going to be posted at 9 p.m. So for this one, we want to add it to our tribe. We'll add it to our blogger support tribe. Got it. And we'll add it to our social media loop. And now we are ready to add it to our queue, and it will pop up. And you see it's there. And that is an easy way to start scheduling your pins. It is super quick. You can add it to multiple boards. You can see branding tips I can add it, branding inspiration. You have up to 10 boards you can add it to. Once that's done, don't forget to add to your queue. And as you can see, it's going to reload, and now we have 5 posts done in a matter of 1 minute. Please join me, and we will go over our smart loops in the next video.